We are inside the M&T Bank building in downtown Reading, Pennsylvania, right off 5th Street. We have some interesting elevators in here. These appear to be OTIS's that got a mod. OTIS. Go to 5. Here we are at 5. Go down to 1. Here we are back at 1. This thing is really nice. Mirrored ceiling. Say hi. This used to have the black buttons originally. Go down to 1. That'll be it. Not going to ride the other one, as it's pretty similar to this one, except the door is on that side. Pretty interesting how the indicator is off center compared to the traveling lantern. It's definitely not on its original controller. There are your fixtures. Phone box is the only thing that's original in these. And your Adams fixtures in that. That'll be it.